Hello there guys, Francis Gray here, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at unboxing review of a box set of Warhammer 40K Necron Immortals. I'll see you after this. Okay guys, so just picked this up from the store, and this is going to be my first venture into Warhammer 40k. I've been looking up a lot of the lore and I like what I see so far, and I really like the look of the Necrons. So with green being my favourite colour, or especially emerald green, these really stood out to me. So instead of me waffling on, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the box. So obviously you've got 5 little miniatures on the front there. They all seem to be the same, but you can obviously pose them in different styles, I presume. And yeah, and then on the back, these are the ones you get in the set, and I think these are advertising different sets that go along with the main one. And then the sides just choke and hazard information and all the rest of it. So okay guys, so the first thing that I'm introduced to is a pamphlet, and I think this is a bit of information about the Necrons themselves and how you build all these various parts up. And then we've got a decal transfer sheet. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the sprues. Okay, so these two seem to be connected at first, but that might just be a one-off. Okay, so there's the bases you get with them. So yep, there's 5 in there. Okay, so the first sprue. So yeah, mainly all the weapons on that one. And then this is sprue number 2. Okay, I'll give it a quick flip round because there's detail on the other side as well. Okay, so back to sprue number 1 again. So same again, it's the same details on either side roughly, so you're not missing a huge deal that I didn't flip it around the first time. So yeah, so I'm always amazed by how small but yet intricately detailed these models are from Warhammer or Games Workshop. So yeah, I'm really impressed. So yeah, I'm looking forward to putting these together and taking my first step into a much bigger world, or universe should I say. So yeah, so if you've liked this quick unboxing look at review video, please smash that like button, share on Facebook and Twitter because those new people find the YouTube channel, which I'm always appreciative. Thank you for any help. If you have any comments, comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future builds. And if you want to be a really awesome viewer, please take 5 minutes to check out my Patreon page. And with a bit of help, we can do these videos full time rather than part time. And if you want me to make sure you don't miss out on building these fellas, then please subscribe so you don't miss out. So yeah, so once again, I'm Francis Gray, and this is a box of Necron Immortals. I'll see you in the next build.